Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to another installment of Tailgate Thursday. Today I'm going to be doing one of these two meals. The Devour. I got the mac and cheese or the Alfredo, creamy Alfredo mac and cheese with bacon. Both have bacon. I'm going to flip a coin. Now this one was given to me by my buddy Mark Kratz. And he actually, he scribbled out the microwave instructions, and he actually wrote add boiling water, cover for 5 minutes. So I'm going to give this a try, but I'm going to flip a coin and see which one I eat. Now he sent me this one, but this one I found at Walmart, and it was $2.50. It's kind of thick, but I figured, you know what, it might be a win of a meal. So come on, let's flip the coin and see which one we're going to try, and then we'll go from there. Alright, my water's on the stove, so I gotta hurry. So I got a 50-cent piece right here. See if I can actually flip it onto the... Yeah, I didn't just sign one. Durr. So we'll go heads and tails. So I'll do the creamy mac Alfredo this time, and I'll do the mac and cheese another time. That's what we'll do. I gotta get this thing prepped. So, I don't think there's a lot you need to do with this. Oh, that's interesting. It's got actually got packets inside. So it's got seasoning. Wow, it's got like 3 different packets. Wow, you got a whole thing of just bacon bits. Alright. And it's got that film underneath it. You can't really rip it open easy. No problem. That's why I'm armed. You know, those just look like regular bacon bits. I might throw those in at the end so they're so crispy. Here's the seasoning. Oh, it's like cheese sauce. Maybe I should read the instructions off camera real quick. So I was actually doing it right. It says remove lid and pouches from bowl. Add contents of entire seasoning packet mix the pasta in bowl. Stir the cheese sauce and then add the water. So I was actually doing it right. So. This might be like a concentrated sauce mix. This one's actually liquid. Of course, I had to open it like that, so I'm gonna try not to waste any. Dang it. Well, that sucks. Okay, note to self, note to others, don't do that. Tastes pretty good. Oh, I think my water's done. It says do not overfill, but I think this might be the stir line. Spoon. Where's my frickin' spoon? give it a stir. Alright, I'll put that on. Set that on top. Put some weight on it. Alright, well, that's it. Alright, I'm still waiting, but I wanted to say, you know what I probably should have done is, well, one, make sure you cut the packages better. I think I left some of the cheese in there, which I didn't mean to do, but, you know, it is what it is. I wish I would have measured the water to know how much I was putting in, because it would have been good to know. So next time I'll make sure to measure the water. Maybe it's like half a cup or 3/4 of a cup. But if I was just making a hot brew, though, I would have boiled the water and then poured up my cup. And that's all I would have done. I got a little chaga tea left over from my day hike today that I just got done from. Oh wow. So one of these makes 1.5 cups of tea. Good to know. So cheers. It's still nice and warm. I also stopped to get a Monster energy drink. I love these. I drink like 2 a day. Delicious. Alrighty, so it's actually been over 5 minutes now, and I wanted to say too, you know, this is only a 4-ounce package. Now, as I said, you know, it's got some thickness, but you know, on a day hike it might be great. You just make up a hot meal, just add boiling water, cover for 5 minutes, which I did. So it's actually been over 5 minutes. Let's give this guy a look. I'll probably just. I have not seen this myself at all, so get the camera down here. Got the package. I hope it. I'm a little skeptical if it rehydrated all the way. It looks, might have. Maybe all the cheese is in there, but there you go. Maybe a little too much water. Got my bacon bits. Gotta add bacon bits. I like that they give you a little package of bacon bits. I thought that was a nice touch. A little less water, I think, for next time. You know, you don't really get a ton of food. I mean, but that's not really a bad thing if you're, you know, this was like if you're out on the trail and you're just doing a lunch. You just boil some water and pour it in, and you know, you're not gonna be, you know, super stuffed while you continue hiking. Let's give it a taste. It didn't fully rehydrate. It's kind of a chilly day. Yeah, I can taste it. The pasta's pretty al dente. It doesn't taste terrible though. Maybe needs like a little cozy to be in. Alright, well, I went ahead and finished it. It wasn't cooked all the way, so it was sort of like, the flavor wasn't terrible. I think it said 390 calories, but it didn't cook all the way. So either because it's not hot and warm enough today, so maybe I need to do a cozy. But what I'm kind of thinking is I might do is put it in the canteen cup. Next time I do this, I'll put it in the canteen cup and I'll just heat it up that way. That might be a little bit, it might cook a little bit better if it's fully hydrated. But I'm thinking too is the bowl. I'm gonna save the bowl and use it as a eating utensil, or use it as a bowl, because it can take heat of the microwave. So you should be able to put hot food in here, and it's disposable. So rather than waste the bowl, I'll just use it for future trips. I don't know if I'd pour boiling water in there, but if you make up a meal, you could probably use it to hold your foodstuffs. And when you're done using it, just throw it away. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. I got something else planned. I got the other Devour, and I got another fried food planned, which I just need time to get out and do it. Maybe I'll try to get out next week and get it done, and that way I'll be a week ahead, which will be nice. It's a nice day. It's here at the park. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna relax, because I need relaxation. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.